that's pretty unique about canaloplasty is, A, it feels very physiologic. We're kind of getting at the tissue, at the main site of resistance. We're reversing some of the damage, some of that sclerosis of the trabecular meshwork and dilating canal, and kind of fixing the outflow dysfunction that we know glaucoma patients have.
It does make sense. So for example, if your bathtub was clogged, the drain was clogged, and you called a plumber, if the plumber said to you, I just need to punch a hole in this bathtub and make a new drain, you kind of be like, what? Why don't you just fix what I already have? Right. And I think it really comes in as that first step, right? So we have an opportunity here to restore homeostasis of the conventional outflow pathway. And if there's a chance to do that, that's what I want to try to do first.